Welcome to this video guys. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 methods to speed up your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or computer. So let's get started. First, we will disable startup apps. So press your Windows key and type startup. Now if you have a lot of startup apps that are enabled, it will slow down your computer when booting up and you'll have to wait a lot of time to start your computer or to start using your computer. So make sure only the selected apps or only the apps that you want are enabled on startup. So this means that if you have something like Alexa, AnyDesk, or whatever this is, if you have a lot of apps turned on, this means that these apps will be automatically started in background whenever you open your Windows. So close this off. So as you can see, I only have a printer service that is enabled, and I have mobile devices that is enabled. You can turn this off too, and I have this Power Automate desktop. You can close this off too, and I have audio services that is enabled. So it means that audio playback will be done whenever I play music automatically. And I have this update checker. So as you can see, I only have 3 of these things enabled. So if you have a lot of things enabled, like maybe Microsoft Defender, Proton VPN and so on, you can just turn those things off and it will start your computer faster from the next reboot. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now what we'll do is we'll automatically clean up storage. So press your Windows key and go to settings, click on system, and here click on storage, and here you'll see install apps, other apps, temporary files, storage sense, and so on. So what you want to do is you want to enable storage sense. So what this will do is this will automatically free up space, delete temporary files so that there's less clutter and there's more space for you to utilize. And here, as you can see, there is cleanup recommendations. So you can click on this, and here you'll see that I have 5.9 GB of storage in recycle bin, downloads, and temporary files. So what you can do is you can check this, and just clean up space. And you can also click here and see if you have some large unused files. So if you make your drives clutter free and if you make your drive use less space, you'll be able to do operations faster on them. And finally, what we'll do is we'll go to privacy and security here and turn off background tasks. Click on diagnostics and feedback. So what this is doing is this will automatically see whatever you are doing and send users data to Microsoft. So we need to disable those things. As you can see, I already have everything turned off. So in your case, you might have these enabled. So what this will do is this will automatically keep sending data to Microsoft. So you don't want that because it makes your PC slower. And another thing is you can scroll down and you have a lot of services here, right? Location, radios, and so on. What you want to do is you want to turn off the services that you are not using. So as you can see, I have location services turned off. So even if this is on, what you can do is you can just give this permission to selected apps. Right now I have not given permission to any of the apps. That's why my PC is running fast. So what you can do is you can avoid this. You can stop this. So you can just give permission to the required apps. If not, you can just turn the location services off completely. So we have discussed the top 3 methods of speeding up your laptop or PC. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.